Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the constant stream of notifications, struggling to keep track of what truly matters? If so, you're not alone. With smartphones becoming an integral part of our daily lives, managing notifications effectively has become more important than ever. The Samsung Galaxy S25 aims to revolutionize the way we interact with notifications, making the experience smoother, more efficient, and less chaotic. Let's take a look at how this innovative device is tackling the issue of notification overload. One of the key features of the Galaxy S25 is its ability to prioritize notifications. With the help of artificial intelligence, the phone will learn to recognize which alerts are most important to you. Whether it's an urgent email from work or a message from a close friend, the Galaxy S25 will push these notifications to the top, ensuring that you never miss anything important. No more wasting time sifting through countless alerts or wondering if something crucial has slipped through the cracks. The AI does all the work for you, giving you peace of mind and control over your notifications. In addition to prioritizing conversations, the Galaxy S25 introduces a summarized notification feature. We've all been there, opening a notification, only to find a lengthy message that could have been boiled down to a few words. This can be a hassle when you're in a hurry or just trying to stay on top of things. With the Galaxy S25, artificial intelligence steps in again, offering concise summaries of notifications. Instead of reading through long text, you'll get a quick overview of the message, allowing you to decide whether you need to take action immediately or if it can wait. This feature helps you save time and stay informed without feeling bogged down by irrelevant details. Another game-changing feature of the Galaxy S25 is automatic notification grouping. With this, notifications from the same app will be grouped together, making it easier to manage and reducing clutter in your notification panel. This means you won't have to scroll endlessly through a long list of alerts, making it much easier to find what matters most. Whether you're getting multiple notifications from your email, social media, or other apps, the Galaxy S25's grouping system keeps everything organized and neat. This feature ensures that your smartphone remains as streamlined as possible, with a focus on efficiency and simplicity. While these AI-driven features seem like they'll make managing notifications much easier, you might be wondering if you'll be able to customize them to suit your needs. Samsung has yet to confirm if there will be an option to turn off these features, but it's highly likely that the Galaxy S25 will allow you to adjust the settings to your preference. The Galaxy AI settings menu will likely provide customization options, allowing you to take full control over how you interact with your notifications, ensuring that the device adapts to your individual habits and needs. But the Galaxy S25 isn't just about smarter notifications. It also comes with One User Interface 7, Samsung's latest software, which aims to make the smartphone experience even more intuitive and user-friendly. With an upgraded Bixby Assistant, the Galaxy S25 can now process natural language even better, allowing for a more conversational and efficient interaction. Whether you're asking Bixby to send a message, set a reminder, or control smart home devices, the enhanced assistant will make these tasks smoother and more personalized than ever before. For now, some of the advanced notification features of the Galaxy S25 may be exclusive to this device, but there's good news for other Samsung users. Samsung has hinted that these features could be available on other devices later in 2025, so those with older Galaxy models may also benefit from these innovations down the line. If you're excited about the Galaxy S25, act fast. Samsung is offering early reservations ahead of the Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22, with exclusive bonuses for those who reserve early. Don't miss out on this chance to get your hands on the latest tech. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Samsung is set to make waves in the mid-range smartphone market with the upcoming Galaxy A36 and Galaxy A56. These new devices promise to offer a sleek design, impressive performance, and advanced features, all while maintaining an affordable price tag. With a significant upgrade in charging technology, these models are bound to capture the attention of users worldwide. One of the standout features of the Galaxy A36 and A56 is their 45-watt fast charging capability. Both devices will support charging at 10 volts and 4.5 amperes, drastically reducing the time users spend waiting for their phones to charge. This feature is a game changer, allowing users to enjoy their devices more and spend less time tethered to an outlet. The 45-watt charging technology, which has previously been limited to certain markets, is now available globally, bringing fast charging to a wider audience. Design-wise, the Galaxy A36 and A56 share many similarities, both devices featuring a large Super AMOLED display that offers vibrant colors and deep blacks. The key island design on the right side of both phones adds a unique touch, while the vertically aligned triple camera setup on the rear provides a modern and sleek look. The Galaxy A36 does have slightly thicker bezels compared to the A56, but both devices maintain a premium feel in hand, making them visually appealing and comfortable to hold. Both phones will run on the latest Android 15 operating system, paired with Samsung's One User Interface 7. This combination ensures a smooth and user-friendly experience. Samsung is also known for providing long-term software support, and these models will receive up to 6 major Android updates, keeping them current with the latest features and security improvements for years to come. In terms of performance, the Galaxy S36 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 processor, paired with a minimum of 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. This configuration offers smooth performance for everyday tasks, including social media browsing, video streaming, and light gaming. The Galaxy S56 steps up the performance with a more powerful Exynos 1580 processor, which offers enhanced processing power and better graphics performance. Both processors feature octa-core central processing units with 4 high-performance cores for demanding applications and games. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the camera setup on both devices. Each phone features a 50-megapixel primary rear camera, allowing users to capture detailed and vibrant photos in a variety of conditions. The 12-megapixel front-facing camera ensures clear, sharp selfies and well-lit video calls. Whether you're snapping pictures of your latest adventures or connecting with friends and family via video chat, the Galaxy S36 and A56 are equipped to deliver high-quality results. Both phones also support a range of connectivity features. The Galaxy S36 and A56 are 5G compatible, providing fast data speeds for streaming, gaming, and browsing. They also include global navigation satellite system support for precise location tracking, Bluetooth 5.3 or 5.4 for seamless connections to wireless accessories, near-field communication for contactless payments, and a USB Type-C port for charging and data transfer. With stereo speakers, these phones deliver impressive audio quality, making them ideal for media consumption. Additionally, the devices come with an IP67 rating, meaning they are resistant to both dust and water, adding to their durability. A large 5,000 mAh battery powers both the Galaxy S36 and A56, ensuring that users can enjoy all-day usage without worrying about running out of charge. The combination of a long-lasting battery and 45-watt fast charging means users can quickly top up their devices when needed, without sacrificing their valuable time. The Galaxy S36 and A56 are strong contenders in the mid-range smartphone market. With their powerful processors, stunning displays, advanced camera systems, and fast charging capabilities, these devices offer a well-rounded package for users who want premium features without the high price tag. Samsung continues to push the boundaries of innovation, making these phones an attractive option for tech enthusiasts and casual users alike. If you're looking for a smartphone that combines performance, design, and value, the Galaxy S36 and A56 should be on your radar. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more updates, and we'll catch you in the next video. The wait is almost over, and Samsung is ready to unveil its next big leap in smartphone technology. The upcoming Galaxy Unpacked event promises to introduce a brand new lineup of Galaxy smartphones that are set to redefine what we expect from our mobile devices. Among the exciting releases, we can expect the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, Galaxy S25 Ultra, and possibly the Galaxy S25 Slim, each designed to elevate your mobile experience to new heights. Leaks and rumors have already started